Okay, so very simply, I'm just going to use the patch tool and just remove the things in the background. Pretty simple. Patch tool you're going to see is what I use for almost everything. Just drag and drop. I'm going to clean up the skin. So my first idea is to always just get kind of the big pieces using the patch tool. Then I'll use LSP Newborn Skin Perfection and smooth out the skin. So LSP, it's an action. When you hit play, it takes a little bit because it's a big action. You can play the whole thing and go piece by piece. I usually just go to the skin smoothing part and change my brush and just smooth the skin. Remember, it's layered, so you've got to flatten your layer when you're done. You can change the size of your brush and the opacity. Sharpen lashes and details, and then I'm going to do go away reds. This is all in the LSP Newborn Skin Action Set, and you do have a discount in your student guide. Just cropping it in a little bit. Do final cleanup, and then we're done.